Alright, so it's another day, and here we've got the adapter plate bolted onto the generator already. This is incredibly difficult to do, even with this on the outside, because you can see this ledge here. Well, we can barely fit in the wrench in here, and the space between the bolt and the side of the generator is incredibly small. I can't even fit in my torque wrench, so I have to get my feelings on it. But anyway, it's on there, and except the two bottom bolts that we have to tighten later. Now, with the outside bolt holes exposed, it should be a lot easier to put in. And let's try it now. Yes, high five. Yes. All right. So what happened is with Gene's help, he tried many different things. But you want to describe what happened?
Use leverage, I guess. And then need some wiggle room, move things around. Just tighten one bolt at a time, and eventually everything will be locked together.
See, that's a life lesson. Use leverage. I think it's because of the
gears are not aligned.
Yeah, the gears were not aligned, so it's had a lot of back pressure. And then somehow it slipped a tiny little bit, and then the gear stuck in, and everything's made it just fine. Now we just need to put on the wires, and hopefully it will charge. So before we move forward, let me show you what we got here. So basically we got the engine in the front right here, and this is the generator, and we got the adapter here in the middle, and this is what it looks like. And from the back here, and that's what took us almost a week to do. So next thing, let's try if it outputs any voltage. If it does, that's another huge success. All right, we got the generator hooked up, and here's the setup. We have the voltmeter right here. So now I'm gonna start the engine, and hopefully we can see some voltage here. Now, before you say that, I know, it's pretty dangerous. I'm gonna have 200-300 volts lying right there, but it will be quick, and we won't be touching it at all. All right. Whoopsie, the battery is dead. Whoopsie.
Change other battery.
Other battery. Okay, take two.
Oh. No juice.
All right, take three. Started, no problem. Let's check out the voltage. Yes, we got 200 volts between two of the three phase, which I think is good. It's correct. Now we just need to hook up all the wires. And thank you for watching. It's a very exciting day has been, and it has been a very exciting day. And I'll see you in the next episode.